Arun Prakash, coming from Tamil Nadu, Chennai. I am working in Hyundai Service Center. We check the car by wiring and other component by replacing it. No need to repair the ECM and the other control models. So I got interest to do this work in Purnima Auto Meter. My father friend is told this institute name. I also searched in Google. So many institutes there I see, and my father friend is selling by car, and then friends are electricians and repairing models. They told the Purnima Auto Meter Institute, so I come and join this institute. And last 20 days I get training from this institute. Area is also good. Our trainers are good. I got more doubts. Then I come to institute. Then I clarified all doubts, and we do the work in ECM and other models also. By step procedure we are teaching. First step, desalting and desalting the components, and track following. The board is on-board testing, and we do the wirings and check the circuit by vehicle also, scanning, programming and other things also we trained by trainers. We not do work in board only also, we do the work in customer vehicle, the actual customer vehicle complaint also we do the work. Last week we do one Chevrolet Cruise BCM all light not working. We do repair the BCM control model. Then I-10 vehicle steering rod due to the problem in ECM due to steering rod. We repair that ECM also. Then on Tata Jets, check engine light glowing, AC not working, wiring complaint. The wiring complaint also we done. Actual customer complaint also done by this institute. Our training are supporting and how to do work. They are telling and teaching. It is very useful to me, and other people also come and to join this institute. It is useful to we get satisfied to do training in a Purnima Auto Meter. When I come to how I don't know how to check the ECM by multimeter to component. What are the components in ECM? I don't know. They are taught, and they are very good to teaching. I know very well about 100% about to repair ECM. Thanks to the Purnima Auto.